me the importance of this platform?
Absolutely. I believe that it is so important to bring a faith-based platform to entrepreneurs because sometimes it's kind of funny and weird to blend your faith and business together. So how do we make the perfect merge and marriage? The only way we can do that is to create something out of need, and I believe this is what was needed.
Okay. Has the path been easy overall, or if not, what were some of the obstacles you faced?
Absolutely. It has not been easy, but I'll tell you what, the yes outweighs those oppositions anytime, right? So for an example, some things that I've gone through was when Hurricane Harvey happened. I had to find a venue a week before my conference because my original location flooded out. Of course, the city was, it was very traumatic for a lot of us, and so that was an adversity. Most people would have postponed it or quit, but I pushed forward.
Okay, great. So one more. How do you feel about everybody coming to support you today for your vision and your goal?
Absolutely. I feel amazed, but I know that there's so much more to do. So this is, I'm glad about this. I'm excited about this, but now I'm on to the next season, the next journey, the next process. So as someone that's always pushing, I learned that it's always important to grow. Yeah, so I'm ready for what's next.
Alrighty, thank you.